Hi guys, thank you for watching and welcome to my spring decorate with me. The first thing we are going to do is unwrap everything. So this is all the items I'm using in this video. Everything is either from HomeGoods, Hobby Lobby, or Target. It took me a few days and a few trips to find everything. So let's start unwrapping and then we'll start decorating. Whenever I'm decorating for a new season or a new holiday, the first thing I will do is what I'm doing right here. I lay out absolutely everything I have to work with, and this is when I will figure out where I want to put things. Whenever I go shopping for things like this, I never really look for specific items and have exact ideas in mind, because whenever I do that, I'm always let down. I can never find exactly what I'm looking for. So this way, if I see things I like, if I can see myself using them and decorating with them, I will grab them, and then right here is where I decide where to put them and what to use them for. When I go to my 3 favorite stores for home decor, Hobby Lobby, HomeGoods, and Target, I shop in that order because Hobby Lobby seems to be the most affordable, then HomeGoods, and then Target. I feel like I am hopefully at least saving money shopping that way. We are beginning the decorating process in the kitchen. First, I'm trying to get all of the excess off the counters. I always try and make sure I don't have a lot of random things out, and it happens very quickly, so I'm taking care of those items first. And I recently started following Randy Garrett Design on Instagram. I'm obsessed with her kitchen. It is the prettiest kitchen I have ever seen. She has the cabinet doors on her refrigerator with mirrors, and all of the moldings and everything are so beautiful. So she was my inspiration for this. I am nowhere near her level, but I can try. The first thing I'm working on in here is a centerpiece for the island. I know I have so many silk flowers in my house and arrangements, but I love them. I would have a million more. If you are wondering throughout the video where anything is from, I do a walkthrough at the end. I mention everything, so stay tuned for that. If you have any questions, I can almost guarantee I will answer it.
Break it down to a second, a millionth of a dream. Go, go, go for the limit with the power of belief. Just soak it up like a flower, like a summer field, aching to be healed. Just rain on me. You blow me into space, the power of your embrace. Lift me up the ceiling, up and up.
I'm sure many of you will notice that when I decorate, I move things around a lot. I try almost every way that I can think of, and I've always done that. I just like to see as many possibilities as I can think of. I pick the one I like the most. I do that all over the house. I'm going to move on to a cabinet now, and this is in between the living room and the dining table. I've always really liked to decorate in front of a mirror. I think it looks even more full than it really is because of the reflection.
Fill me with your spark, take me from the dark, so shine on me. You blow me into space, the power of your embrace. Lift me up the ceiling, up and away. Fly me over the rivers, over open seas. Bring me to this feeling.
I'm not sure if you can see it from here or if you saw it when I was unwrapping everything. There is a nameplate on the right side of the table and it says don't quit your daydream. I found that at Hobby Lobby and I would say that for so many years when I was trying to build my channel. So if you have a daydream, don't quit, keep working towards it. I saw that and I was like, wow, I need that. I need that as a reminder on my desk every day.
You color me like the rainbow, fill me with your spark, take me from the dark, so shine on me.
We are on to the living room now. I'm decorating the mantle and it does not stay this way. Spoiler alert, I put a bunch of stuff up there and standing up close I thought it looked really cute and then I backed away and was like, what am I thinking? So this is only temporary for a few minutes. I'm filling a vase with Easter eggs and I'm not doing a ton of Easter, as you'll notice. I'm definitely like focusing on spring and bright colors and pastels, but I'm doing a little bit of Easter. I don't like to go very overboard with it, I guess you could say. I like a little bit of it, but nothing too crazy. A lot more of the flowers and the bright colors. We're focusing on these cabinets now, and I've always wanted built-in cabinets in my living room, and now that I have them, I honestly don't even really know how to decorate them. It's good that there's so many options, but because there's so many options, I'm never satisfied. So let me know if you have any ideas in the comments. If you have any helpful tips, I would love them. I honestly feel very lost with this area.
Bring me to this feeling, up and away.
Captured in a photograph. Remember how we used to sit in the vines. Yeah, oh, I can hear you laugh it off. You always said mistakes I left in the past.
We are all done in the living room. I'm going to finish up the dining table. I'm also going upstairs to do a few things for Forrest, and then we will do a walkthrough of everything. And I really encourage you guys to check out the dollar spot at Target. I know it sells out so quickly whenever there's new things, but the spring decor this year is actually really great.
If nothing would have changed, if we'd have stayed the same, never killed the flame, would we hold our ground? If nothing would have changed, would you take my name, stay through the rain? Would we hold our ground? Could we hold our ground? Could we hold our ground? Drawing from another time, walls and paint that spells out your name. Yeah. You said you had to change your heart.
It's several hours later now. I think I'm done. At least I'm done for now. You guys know I change things and move things around all the time. And I already know a lot of you are going to say in the comments that this house is starting to look like my house again and my style, which I'm so happy about. So I hope you guys like it. Let's do a little tour. All right, I'm going to start in the kitchen area. I'll work my way around. I'm going to do my best with the lighting. It's raining outside now and it's like 4 o'clock, so it's starting to get dark. And I'm actually going to walk around this way to show you the centerpiece. So this is 2 bunches of roses from, from Hobby Lobby, and then the vase is from Target. I bought this a few years ago. It has a pearlescent finish on it, really pretty. A bunch of Easter eggs in the bottom. That basket is from Hobby Lobby, and I really like doing centerpieces and baskets because if we need the space, if we're cooking or whatever we're doing, we can pick up the basket and move it out of the way instead of having like a bunch of small things that you have to shuffle through. And over here I switched out for a neutral pot. I looked for one in a pastel color and I couldn't find one, so that was better than the orange one. Over here is a bunny, and then the sink area. So these are from the dollar spot at Target. It's a pack of 2. And I really love the lavender and the white with the tassels on the bottom. The new faucet, I've shared this. I love this Easter egg with the flowers on it. So beautiful. I think it looks really cute sitting on the windowsill up there. And then over here are the same polka dot jars I've had for such a long time. I really like having them though, like on an arc, so it isn't so square in here. It helps to like break that up a little bit. Here's the cabinet between the dining table and the living room. I think this turned out really cute, super simple. I showed this to Chad and he asked me why we have an urn. It's not an urn, it's a jar, a decorative jar. I have 3 of these. So the first one, of course, is white from Hobby Lobby. Everything here actually is from Hobby Lobby. They have these in a few colors. I think the pink and blue is very cute. So just some bunnies and then eggs. And I wish these like stood up a little bit. There's a bow on the bottom. They don't. So I let them sit there and hang out like this. The last area I finished is the dining table. That's why it's so bare. I need to finish this and make it look a lot better at some point, but this is what we have for now. So I really like these pillows. It's velvet and it's a light blue color. It looks kind of gray on camera. These are only $16 each at HomeGoods and they're heavy, like really nice quality. So look for those if you like them. I didn't finish like setting everything because we know it's not going to stay like this. I wanted to set up something to show you guys and give you ideas, but honestly, I don't even have any fabric napkins. I bought these at Hobby Lobby and then I went to HomeGoods and I looked for fabric napkins. The only ones I could find had bunnies on them. I was looking for a stripe or something solid because I feel like for my first pair, I should get something that is practical that I could use for a lot of holidays and events, and they didn't have anything. So sorry about that, but that's real life. That is as far as I got. And now for the living room. I'm not like extremely happy with how this turned out because there's so much I want to do in here. Like I want to put shelves up and I might do high cabinets. This is so not my style. So I feel like it looks a little bit weird in here, but it's better than it was before. So I guess I'll just start over here. I mixed up the family photos a little bit. Instead of doing like straight rows, I did like a photo, as you can see, and then a decorative piece or two, then photos. So I like that it breaks it up a lot. And here is Easter eggs, and then it's like a vase. That vase is from HomeGoods. Over here is not an urn, it's a decorative jar, or a ginger jar, I guess is what they're called, from Hobby Lobby. And then I have a few more photos. This is an Easter egg here. I like this because I feel like this could be used like all year long. It really doesn't look like an Easter egg. And then here is how the mantle turned out. Again, not in love with it, but it's better than it was. So this actually is a piece of garland, of course, but it looked like a wreath. I bought that from the dollar spot at Target, and it was wrapped around like a wreath for how it's in the package. So I didn't even realize that it wasn't a wreath until I put it up here, but that was good because I didn't have anything else to put there. These are really pretty vases from Hobby Lobby. I love how the pink fades away and then it has the gold at the top. And these are from Target. They were $10 and I love that. I think it's super practical. I know I will use these all over the house. Here's the other side of the mantle. Nothing too special because it's just not done over here. It won't be for a while. This is from HomeGoods. I love this jar the most because of the shape. I think it looks a little more modern. And over here is a really simple but cute HomeGoods bunny. The only thing I did on the couches are these 2 pillows from Hobby Lobby, and they have a bamboo, is it called a bamboo shoot, bamboo stick, something like that. I love that style in furniture. I think it's so pretty. I've seen a ton of different kind of furniture in different colors with that. So I saw those, I had to get them. I'm sure eventually I will have furniture to match that style. The last area I did a little bit of decorating in is Forest's bathroom. So of course this is not done whatsoever, but I still wanted to show it to you so you can see everything I was able to get done while filming this video. This bath mat is from Target. I thought it looked very like springy and very little boy-ish, so I thought that was cute. I laid out some hand towels. We still don't have any towel hooks in this whole house. It didn't come with them, and I have so many like things I need to pick out for stuff like that. And the last thing up here is a little bunny. This bunny is similar to the pink one in the kitchen. Of course, it's light blue and really cute for a little boy. I need to get like some more decor out here, but this is what I was able to get done. And that is everything for my spring decorate with me this year. I hope you enjoyed it. I wanted to keep it like the main areas since you know I have so much house to decorate in the first place. I don't want to like seasonally decorate in rooms that aren't anywhere near done. So I wanted to keep it out here. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, hit the like button. Please subscribe if you're new here. I would love to have you. I will link the shirt that I'm wearing and also the pants. The shirt is $20, so check it out if you like it. And I will see you right here in a few days in a brand new video. Bye.